Hi friends, welcome to Pixie Pantry. If you're new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of my new and upcoming videos. Also, do like the video if you find my recipes interesting. So, let's get started. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make raw mango rice, that is, chitranna. So we generally prepare these dishes during our festival days. So I'm going to be teaching you step by step how to make chitranna. I've taken a peeled raw mango and I am going to be grating this. This is about one medium-sized raw mango which I'm grating. Do let me know in the comment what are the dishes that you guys prepare at home during festival days. I've taken two chilies over here. I've selected reddish colored chilies because this brings out a vibrant color. I've taken only two. You can take more chilies if you want your chitranna to be a lot spicy. We eat less spicy at home here. Now I'm going to be chopping a handful of fresh coriander. Now I'm going to grate some fresh coconut. I've taken a little less than half of the portion. I've kept a kadai on the stove now. I'll be adding a little more oil. I know it is not healthy, but for chitrannas you'll need a little more oil. So I've added about 4 to 5 spoons of oil here. And I'm going to wait for the oil to heat up. So once the oil is hot, I've put in a handful of peanuts. I'm going to deep fry them. Once I finish deep frying it, I'm going to keep it aside. Make sure that you don't burn the peanuts, because once it's burnt, it is not going to taste that good. It's going to start tasting bitter. I think they're almost done now. I'm going to remove them and keep them aside. There are some peanut skins floating in the oil. Make sure to remove everything from the oil, because if it gets burnt, the taste is going to differ from your chitranna mix. So I've added urad dal and chana dal, about 2 tiny spoons. Gives you that crunchy texture when you're eating. Now I'm going to add about half a spoon of mustard. I'll wait for it to splutter. Now I'm adding a tiny spoon of a sofitida, that is hing, and the chilies that we had chopped, along with some 10 to 12 curry leaves. A little bit of turmeric powder, about quarter spoon. Now I'm adding the grated raw mango. Going to mix it well with the tempering. You don't have to fry it for long. You just need to fry it for about 5 to 8 minutes. But make sure that you continuously keep stirring, otherwise it's going to stick to the pan and get burnt. Now I'm adding half a cup of grated coconut that we had grated earlier, and some chopped coriander along with the fried peanuts. So I'm going to turn off the stove now once I've added everything, and mix everything together so that it combines well. I'm going to put some into a bowl. There we have our raw mango chitranna mix ready. In a plate, I have taken some hot rice. I'm going to mix and show you how incredible it looks. Make sure the rice is not too sticky. For chitrannas, it is better if it is always a little grainy. Add some salt. Add only a little bit. And some chitranna mix. And mix it well. I'm going to put some into a bowl to plate it up. There we have our raw mango chitranna. Absolutely delicious, tangy, chatpata, spicy. Try it at home. Do let me know how it has turned out for you guys. If you like the recipe or not, please like the video, share it with your friends and family. Thank you. Bye-bye.